All right, here we go. This is Algebra 1 K7 graph solutions to one-step linear inequalities. So we're going to have an inequality right here, and I felt the best way to show you guys how to do it is just to present my screen to you. So it says W is less than or equal to 7 minus 1. So 7 minus 1 is 6, all right? So first thing I want you to notice is that that has a line under it, so it's going to be a solid circle, okay? And now I'm not eating the W. Notice the mouth is not eating the W. It's eating the 6. So that means I have to shade to the left. Okay, here, U is less than or equal to, or less than 4 plus 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So it's going to be an open circle, and U is less than that. So I'm going to be shading to the left. Now I have problems like 3U is greater than or equal to 9. So now I divide both sides by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. It's a closed circle at 3. But I'm eating the U, so I shade to the right. Here, G is greater than or equal to 4 minus 2. Well, 4 minus 2 is 2, so it's a closed circle, and I'm going to be shading to the right. Okay, 6 divided by 2 is 3. It's going to be a closed circle. I'm eating the H, so I move to the right. So again, once in a while, you're going to get these thrown into here. So you have to get the n by itself. I do that by adding 7 to both sides. Well, 2 plus 7 is 9. And it's going to be an open circle. And I'm eating the n. So here, I subtract 9 from both sides. So r is greater than or equal to 10 minus 9. Well, 10 minus 9 is 1. So r is greater than 1 or equal to. So there we go. All right, so the problems change right around 40, okay, or so. Now this one's real tricky, okay? And I wish I didn't have to present my screen here, okay? But this one's real tricky, so listen closely, okay? My first step is going to be adding 2 to both sides. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So I have 6 is less than negative d. Well, negative d, I have to get rid of that negative in front. So I have to divide both sides by negative 1. So 6 divided by negative 1 is negative 6. It's an open circle. But now I have to remember to flip my sign. So I'm eating the negative 6, which means that I'm shading to the left. Okay? So right around 60, these problems are going to get real tricky, and you're going to have to write it down. Okay? So one more time, I add 6 to both sides. 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay, so now it's negative v. So I do 8 divided by negative 1. That's negative 8. It's an open circle. But I have to flip my sign. So my sign's opening to the right. Now it's going to open to the left. That means I'm eating the v. So that's how you do K7, Algebra 1.